$100 for a self-watering planter? I think not. Let's make something. At the core of this project are these Grow Bucket garden kits. For $15, you could turn your standard 5-gallon bucket into a self-watering planter. I do most of my shopping at BJ's Wholesale, so I had no 5-gallon buckets lying around. Everything involving BJ's is all about that generosity, so I had to modify these 6-gallon buckets. The reservoir chamber on the bottom of the bucket required me to drill an overflow hole to prevent it from drowning in water and to allow oxygen to circulate. Now the buckets are ready to go for some dirt and plants. Now I assure you, I am no gardener and I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to plants. But I got some dirt and plants and hope for the best. So after watering the plants and giving the exterior of the bucket a quick coat of paint, it was functional and ready to go. But I'm the level 1 builder and I gotta take it to another level. So I grabbed some pressure treated scrap wood and I cut them all down into 1x1 strips. So I framed out a bunch of squares that would fit over the bucket. Then I marked a line where the bottom of the bucket should sit. Then I started to assemble the frame of the planter. The main objective of this process was not to get a nail in my hand. You know the drill. When working with power tools, be careful. Like and subscribe for more of this good stuff. And please don't try this at home. So I'm a big fan of a high contrast, so I started off by making the frame black and adding some supports. So I was able to get a bundle of wood lathes for dirt cheap, and I used that to design each face of the planters. So in a matter of an hour, I was able to turn out 12 different faces. I think this is a great proof of concept. You could easily turn out a dozen planters a day if you needed to. Total cost of each planter, $20. And honestly, with the price that good, who could complain? Besides the entire internet. Share and subscribe to support the channel. I'm the Level 1 Builder. I'll see you around.